busy day today, visiting 2 clients and 1 new prospect. So I've just pulled up in the Jewellery Quarter to visit the first client before I head off to a new prospect. I've been told that they've got problems with their Chromecast. So they have 3 meeting rooms and they've got 3 Chromecasts, 1 for each meeting room. They use Chromecast because it's really easy to connect Google Slides to a TV and just cast what you're seeing onto the screen, which is great for an all-hands meeting or maybe a meeting with a prospect or a client. You can get it on there quickly. But oddly, they're saying that they reported that all 3 have failed and they're not working anymore, which is a first for me. I've not come across that before. Chromecasts are normally 100% solid. I don't remember actually ever having to go in and sort one out ever once they've been plugged in for the first time. So I've worked out what the problem with the Chromecasts are. Last week we updated the Unifi Wi-Fi and it's turned on AP isolation. So that basically means that you essentially can't see the Chromecast. They've been isolated from the rest of the network, so they're like there but no one can connect to them. So I've just given Carl a call and asked him to go onto the cloud controller that controls all the Wi-Fi access points we've got in this building and make them so they work again. Turn off the AP isolation so that we can start using the Chromecast. So I'm just turning this one on so it comes online. And hopefully Carl will shortly turned off the AP protection and these Chromecasts will all start to be visible again. Just parked up in Digbeth and now on my way to see a new prospect. They came in as a lead through our website I think it was last week, might have even been Monday. And we've arranged a meeting with them. They're using an old email system and just really dated, Kerio stuff and things like that. So talking about moving them over to G Suite, see how it goes.
Okay.
So we're now arrived at Edgbaston Cricket Ground after having a great meeting with the prospect I spoke about earlier. We are going to Orb Creative, who are clients of ours. We're probably getting on, how long we reckon now?
8
I'll say
months.
by the way.
8 months.
They've just recently acquired an agency called Super Dream, which was based over in Bromsgrove, and they've got some of the stuff there. You're wrecking my video now. Really wrecking my video. I have to start that over again now.
It'll be funny.
Proper annoying.
No, it won't.
It's not. It's not funny at all.
It is. It's funny because Dreamer and was a song by Supertramp and Super Dream is like a combination of the two.
From the 70s, he is.
That's right. From the 70s. See, you do know.
Well, I guessed it based on your age. Anyway, after that interruption, so we're going over to help their new guys get used to Gmail and G Suite and the whole thing, and we're just waiting for Gemma to come, who's just over there waving. If I can get the camera to flick around, walking towards us to let us in, because the ashes are starting tomorrow. We can't get into the places we normally would. We have to wait to be escorted in. It's 3 PM now and I've just finished visiting Orb and giving some training on G Suite to their new users that they've joined after they acquired another marketing agency. So they're up to, well, they're getting used to Gmail. They've not used it before. They've not used Google Drive and stuff like that. So they're learning how to use that, and we'll probably give them a get one of our trainers, Lauren or Jordan, to come down and do some proper dedicated training with them. But they've got the basics now, so they can get on working with that. Been a busy day. It's 3 PM now, so I'm going to head off and get some lunch.